Hello, this is Scout from Missouri Assistive Technology, and today I wanted to show you an early literacy project that you can make at home. So this is a tactile book made from a baby gate, pegboard, and items from around my house. It took me about an hour to construct, and all I did was attach the pegboard to the baby gate. I used string to attach almost everything. And then you can use this. Your child can look at this or touch it and go through the pages. So this would be great for a child with a cortical visual impairment or with any other visual impairment, or that is just a tactile learner. So if you would like more information on a project like this, feel free to reach out to us at Missouri Assistive Technology. You can find us on the web at www.at.mo.gov, or you can call us at 816-655-6700. Thank you.